Well, it seemed like it was just going to be another day at the office when the news broke. Jenna, our boss, the one that we all adore and respect, is being transferred to the Pacific branch. I quickly called my coworkers to a meeting. We needed to come up with a great parting gift idea for Jenna so that she would always remember how much we liked working with her. None of the traditional or usual ideas satisfied us. It was Abby, that shy girl from the accounting department, who came up with a great suggestion. Why not make her a Best Boss Ever certificate? Okay, cool idea. But how? Then Jason spoke up. He said he had recently seen an ad for a great course on Udemy that would teach you how to write in calligraphy. He decided to join and is learning how to do Italics calligraphy with something called a pilot parallel pen. In a nutshell, he explained to us how it works. First, you watch the videos where the instructor demonstrates and explains how to draw each letter. Then, you use the exercise sheets provided in the course to try it yourself. And then all that's left to do is practice, practice, and practice some more. There are even 2 projects to do at the end of the course, and you'll never guess, one of them is a type of diploma or certificate. We all looked at each other, and for once, we all agreed instantly. It was a great idea. So, we let Jason continue to learn and to practice. In just a short time, he was able to create a fabulous certificate for Jenna. She was really touched when we gave it to her at her moving on party, and she has it hanging on the wall of her new office in the Pacific branch. And Jason, he's still adding swirls and flourishes to our office life.